I ask myself the question, 50 years from now, what are the 3 things that I want to see as a result of my actions? It will be a powerful network of very wealthy and powerful Muslims that help each other and help support the deen. Number 2, a university that creates people of knowledge and publishes research that people need. And number 3, it will be our own system of media. That for me, if I do those things and Allah accepts them from me, I'm actually sincere. I really hope to meet my Lord with khair.
I hope the university is going to be Medina.
I really hope so too.
Remember when we did Righteous Rights and we asked what the goal is? I actually have the same goal. And I hope, inshallah, we'll talk more about this. Hopefully it's something that we can
well, that's the benefit of the network, isn't it?
That's the benefit of the network. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. I think, I sat with some brothers recently in Medina, and we said that, like, yeah, we can build something that can rival the Harvards and the MITs and the Stanfords of the world here in Medina.
Yeah.
It's possible.
With the AI lab.
It's already in Medina, by the way. People are studying AI in Medina now in some of the universities.